This video will most likely be deleted soon. Why? Because I'm exposing the dark secrets of this AI software that's completely ruining YouTube. This AI software in particular makes generating YouTube videos so incredibly easy that literally anyone could get a simple subscription and start generating videos that could potentially get millions upon millions of views every single day. The AI software I'm talking about is called literally Vid AI, and in this video not only am I gonna show you guys how overpowered this AI software is, where it can make videos literally within seconds, and anyone could use this, anyone could literally put their AI content on YouTube and get millions of views, but I'm also gonna expose co-founder and CEO of Vid AI, Matt Parr, with a secret video I took when I visited Vid AI headquarters, and he revealed to me a dark secret about Vid AI that absolutely shocked me.
We've been talking about how we're going to be phasing out the old thing and everything.
Now, Matt Parr has no idea I recorded this secret video, and if you're watching this video right now, it might be the only time that you'll ever be able to watch this video, because I'll most likely be fired, this video will be deleted, I'll be sued, and there'll be a whole ton of legal ramifications from me showing this video that I secretly recorded. But it's a good thing that you guys are watching this video right now before it's been taken down, so that you can see this dark secret about Vid AI. Vid AI is an AI video generator that I'll have linked below. And the biggest difference between Vid AI and old competitors is that their founders are actually creators here on YouTube and aren't just some random old people. Like co-founder Make Money Matt, who has 800,000 subscribers on YouTube and 36 million views total, which is huge in the make money online niche. And if I were to make an educated estimate, I would guess that Matt Parr is worth anywhere from $20 to $30 million based on the courses he sells and the AI softwares he owns. And Matt Parr has always been known as a good boy on YouTube, an angel some would say. But in this video, I'm gonna show you the shocking results of his video AI generator, as well as the dark secret behind it that no one knows, and I will be revealing with this secret video that I've taken. So here I am on Vid AI, and I'll have this linked below, and Matt himself has personally asked me to promote this software on this channel, and you'll see why exactly he wants me to promote this software on his channel under a different link than the one that I share with you guys. But let's get into Vid AI right now, and let me show you how easy it is to use. So let's start off by going over to new project, and right now we have faceless shorts. I believe fake text is being launched in a couple of days, as well as all these other features are coming very, very soon. Remember, Vid AI is a month old. So I'm gonna press on faceless shorts right now, and right here I can put in a script, a prompt, or a popular topic like motivational stories, animal facts, fun facts, scary videos, life hacks, or philosophy. So right here I'm gonna put in a prompt. I'm gonna say top fun facts about, let's say, dinosaurs, just something simple. Now I'm gonna pick on a narrator right here.
One today is worth two tomorrows.
I usually like using this voice, Anthony, but down here now we can either select a gameplay video or we can select an AI generated image. So we have natural, anime, cinematic, comic art, isometric, watercolor, line drawing, etc. Right now I'm just gonna select on cinematic right here and press on generate content. Now in just a few seconds, you guys will see this is completely live. I'm screen recording right now. You'll see in just a few seconds, it's going to show me a bunch of images for my video. 3, 2, 1, and there you go. So here we go. We have a bunch of pictures for our video, and it shows me my script right here, and I can go in and just, regenerate it if I want, but these are all really cool images right here. I'm gonna press on next right here. Now I can select my music and all the other things. Like for example, I really like captions being one word because just a personal preference I feel like, but let me select some music. I like going with the Blade Runner 2049 one the most, and right here I can select all the other things I want, but I'm just gonna hit on generate, and now Vid AI is making me my short. That literally took me seconds to do, seconds to just go through there and do it. Now I'm about to show you guys the result of my short in just a second, but remember, Vid AI is only a month old, and Matt Parr has even personally told me that they're releasing a long form video generator very soon. So that's terrifying. You see how I just made a YouTube short in seconds? Soon I'll be able to do the same thing, but with actual long form videos with just a couple of seconds. That's all it literally takes.
Did you know dinosaurs roamed the earth for over 160 million years? The T-Rex was one of the largest carnivores, reaching up to 40 feet long. Brachiosaurus could grow up to 8.
Someone with a simple Vid AI subscription might never need to edit again if this can make long-form videos just like this one right here. Imagine what happens when they release Reddit stories, auto captions, fake text, would you rather, split screens, etc. Then we'll have so many channels on YouTube using Vid AI and getting millions upon millions of views with a simple subscription using all of these. Now I'm about to show you guys the secretly recorded video where Matt Parr tells me the dark side of Vid AI. But first, I want to mention that we're actually hosting a completely free live training here on TubeMagic with the link below. You can attend our completely free training. It's just very limited. The amount of people who can attend is limited. So by pressing on the link in the description below, you can secure your spot and join us for our live training where you can potentially 10x your growth on YouTube. So right now I'm about to show you guys this secret video. And honestly, this might be the only time you ever get to see this video, because after I show this, I'll probably get fired. This video will get taken down and I'll face legal ramifications, but I have to show you guys this. So right here, I'm gonna play this.
And yeah, so I've been working kind of closely with Prion. We've been talking about like how we're gonna be phasing out the old pricing and everything, and eventually we are gonna, bring the pricing up. So like the only thing that I asked is that if you could just not share that link at all, like the old $67 per month link.
So basically what he's saying is the link I have below in my description is the price point of $67 a month for Vid AI. And I'm about to continue this video, but there's an issue with it being $67.
Or the discount,
especially. Why can't I tell them that they can get Vid AI for $67 a month?
Because with API costs and everything, it's just
that's
like
me talking, by the way.
The most feasible.
You're saying they get the best deal possible?
And not only that, they keep it for life. And I don't want them to have that deal for the rest because.
So basically, if you use the link below for $67 a month for Vid AI, you keep that subscription for life. And the reason why that's such a big issue is because with rising API costs, with them bringing in long-form content, all of these options, you are basically stealing money from people like Matt Parr, from Vid AI, because of the API costs. And by getting the subscription right now, you get a lifetime discount. From when they raise up the pricing, you'll still have that discount. You'll still have that same price. And in this video, he's telling me to stop sharing the link because he realizes how much money they're losing in API costs. But right now, I still have the link in the description below. So if anyone wants to get that limited time discount, they can get it right now. I'm not sure how long this link will be available, but you can get it right now and get a discount on the best video generator for life.
With rising API costs and everything, like that's just that deal just way too insane.
So every time someone gets the $67, no matter how much the price increases, it stays the same for them?
Yeah, it's like grandfathered in.
Okay. See, he knows how much money they're losing from this discount, and you can get it right now with the link in the description below. Don't let people like Matt Parr win. Don't let him save money and raise up the price. Take this discount, take this amazing discount on a video generator. You guys don't understand how much API costs can literally run a company like this. And when it's at a low price point like this for a video generator, that's literally a steal. Now, I'm not telling you guys to do anything. I'm not telling you guys to go buy anything. I'm literally just stating that the link below is at a lifetime discount, no matter how much the price goes. If the price goes to $1,000 someday, you'll still be billed at $67 a month. I'm just stating that. Me personally, I would love to hear secret news like this about any of these AI software subscriptions I currently have, especially the best video generator on the internet. And speaking of steals, this video right here is a steal. In this next video, I challenge myself by trying to make 30 YouTube shorts in an hour. Do I do it or do I fail miserably? You don't know unless you watch this next video right here.